Greeting, guys. So this is 48 hours later. I got my car back from the Auto Bavaria Glen Marie Service Center, and done with the 30,000 km service, which they only changed the engine oil, so nothing special about that. And back to my rare noise issue. Now they managed to identify the problem, so they changed the absorber mounting for me, and it took them within 48 hours as promised. So now is that I only need to test the car, and hopefully it has addressed the rare noise problem. So far, my experience with Glen Marie Auto Bavaria is considered okay. I think I'm lucky enough to meet a good service advisor who is very responsive and responsible. In fact, he even called me at 8 o'clock in the evening last night, just to inform me about my the car status and what is the update. So as promised, within 48 hours I got my car back. I didn't expect they can repair and fix the problem so fast, because I thought normally they will have to order parts and I have to wait for the parts to deliver, then I'll have to send my car back again for them to replace the part. But so happened that I think I'm still lucky enough that the required part, the engine mounting, is available, and they changed it for me. So I hope that everything is good now, and I don't have to suffer for the rare noise anymore. Whew. So it's time to go home, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Drive and ride safe. Bye.